Alright, so I didn't catch this fish, neither did he. We actually came up on a blue herring that had it in its mouth, and we ran towards it and he dropped it. I think it poked that hole in it and it's bleeding. It's not really bleeding from the gills. I mean, it kind of bleeding from the gills, but it's bleeding from that hole. It's kind of weird. I don't know what that bear was thinking. There's no way he could eat that. But I'm gonna see if it lives. Oh, he's trying. You gotta revive him. He's not. He might be alright. Fish was unhealthy.